You are welcome back to my channel. This is your brother Nwa042. Nwa042, we are here again to give you update news. Remember, my channel is a channel of truth. Where I give you, I talk, I give you the video, I talk about whatever, and I give you evidence of whatever I'm telling you. Before we go to the video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you are watching me from. I am your brother Mbaka. Please, I must have to recommend all my subscribers. They are too good to me because they'll always be there to watch my video, share my video, give me thumbs up as well. May God bless you wherever you're watching me from. And also, I must have to say this to all my new viewers. If today is the first time you're coming across my channel, how we do it on my channel is that I give you video, we watch it together here. We will go on comment section and say anything we want to say. So you are free to say anything you want to say on comment section. Give it a thumb up. And if you have not subscribed on my channel, please like me do that, okay? This subscribe will help me, you understand? And also for you to give a thumb up will help me so YouTube will recommend the video. And also put on your notification, please. So that any moment I post video, you will be notified. I don't want to talk too much. Let us go to the video. Thank you so much.
Of the horrible hardship in the country, because of the horrible mayhem, insecurity, poor governance, inhumanity of man to man, indescribable immorality, and unquestionable disaster in the spirituality. Because of manifest unemployment. For example, during the election, those who want to become governors, presidents, and whatever, local government chairmen, House of Assembly members, House of Reps members, those who want to go to the Senate, they will import guns and bullets. They will share to our young unemployed men and women to use these hazardous, toxic, destructive equipments to win elections for them. Of course, rigging. After the election, the so-called election saga. After the so-called election saga, they will not be able to return the guns back. They have empowered the youth with the guns to kill their opponents after the election. Instead of these people thinking about creating jobs for these people, they will leave them with their guns. And banditry becomes the order of the day. The same people who gave them guns will be calling the young men hoodlums. Hoodlums, bandits, what else? Terrorists, unknown gunmen, kidnappers, armed robbers, as if to say they don't know them. Instead of giving them jobs, they gave them guns. When will Nigeria be okay? It is a sign of locking their destinies, locking the destinies of their youths. But I want to tell you, when God is involved, when the Holy Ghost is involved, how the emancipation will come, nobody will tell it. How the liberation will come, nobody will understand it. How the freedom will come, it will daze everybody. It will be so astonishing. It will be so miraculous. It will be amazing. It may be so sporadic. It may be an activity that will happen like a lightning. Before you know it, it will happen like a thunder. Because it cannot continue like this. One day, a certain group of people will say, never again. Nigerians, leaders who are thinking about how to go to Niger and help the democratic government to come back and blah, 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 blah. You don't know what you are saying, you know. Oh, you couldn't be on a choke. Your house is on fire and you are pursuing a rat. Meanwhile, your family is inside the house and you saw a rat You left the house that is burning and you are pursuing a rat. And those who set the house ablaze are coming with buckets of fuel. Save your house first. Heaven, let me tell you, hello? Heaven is watching President Tinubu. Heaven is watching President Tinubu. If Tinubu submits to the power of God, God will use him to save this country. If he doesn't want to submit to the powers of heaven, something worse than what is happening in Niger will happen in Nigeria. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know. But under prophetic code, I am telling them, let them not think that Nigerians are stupid, Nigerians are weak. Because we knew a time when $1 is equal to 1 naira. What has happened?